Hey guys, it's Tony. So I wanted to compare SHIBA and Doggy and why SHIBA is now my fool's insurance, right? You guys know I have a decent amount. I have about 269, I think, million coins of SHIBA right now. Doggy, I don't have any position in it anymore. But looking at the weekly, on Doggy, you can see that we ran like 7.5%, and on SHIB, you've done almost 20% of a run on the weekly. And after it actually breaks out, I forgot what the resistance is, but there's a lot more to the upside for SHIBA than it is for Doggy. And looking at Doggy and comparing the fluctuations, compared to Bitcoin, compared to relatively everything else, it's really been dropping pretty significantly for a while. Like I said, I don't think Doggy is going to zero, but I think if you're looking for a nice multiple, Doggy is perfectly fine, right? I think if Bitcoin does cross over 100K and everything else starts running up, I can definitely see Doggy back up to back up to like the 70-cent range, if not more than likely $1, right? So I don't think $1 is out of the question for Dogecoin, especially with the mass adoption and with it being on Coinbase now. But keep in mind that SHIBA actually has a relatively high there's a lot more risk in SHIBA, but there's also a lot bigger chances of having multiples. I don't have anything on Coinbase. I have most of my position on Coinbase Pro, but I didn't want to use Coinbase Pro just because it's not like it's not as like easy to see and stuff. But yeah, this is why I like SHIBA, because it is fool's insurance right now. And if you do see big moves, you're gonna see bigger moves on SHIBA INU compared to Doggy. So the best way that I can describe it is, if you see 100-200% gain on a crypto on a stock that's related to crypto, for example, like Riot or Bit something or Mara or MSTR, whatever, right? It doesn't matter what it is, or Bitfarms, you tend to see a bigger multiple on stocks that are related to crypto as opposed to actual crypto. So this is the same thing. Because SHIBA INU is the competitor to Doggy, and it's relatively, starting, I think the upside and the multiple that SHIBA can return is way bigger than Doggy. Keep in mind, I still think SHIBA is pretty shit, right? I'm not saying it's a good coin. I'm not saying Doggy is a good coin. I've made money off of both. I'm not saying that, these are reputable projects. It's just a really good fool's insurance to have as far as like a meme coin. And as of right now, I just prefer SHIBA over Doggy because I do think the multiples that it can return are way higher than Doggy itself. Because SHIBA can still be added to Robinhood, and I think that it's I think that there's a very high chance, because Robinhood actually makes a crap ton of money off of Doggy. And now that Coinbase has SHIBA, I'm not saying it's a matter of time because we don't really know, but I think there's a very high probability that Robinhood actually adds SHIBA and adds some competition to their Doggy investors. So, we'll see what happens. But fool's insurance, as far as what I'm doing right now, I have about 2K in SHIBA. Not really looking at it. Don't care what it does. If it ends up in the news, that's when I know I'll pull out my money. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.